A lot of my friends have posters of me in their house.
What?
And I went to the washroom and I was like, wait, is that
No,
me?
no, hold on.
Yeah, so 2016 was a crazy year for me because I applied for Miss World Sri Lanka.
Yes.
I just finished university. I came back. I thought I'll apply. What are the chances?
Yeah.
I got through. I went to Washington, D.C. for the Miss World Finals.
Nice.
About 2 years ago, took a break. I had 2 kids.
Wow. Okay.
So
Right.
now I have 2 boys and I'm
Twins,
a boy
twins?
mom. No, back to back.
Back to back. Oh, man. So Ivan, your husband is a friend of mine.
Yeah.
He's
been really busy. Not just with work, you can see.
Not just. I mean, you did the most part of the work. Ivan was
Thank
there.
you,
Yeah,
thank you. I know it's Women's Day.
Yeah,
You got to
yeah,
say that
yeah.
today.
Now, I know Women's Day is tomorrow and all that, but I have to ask this question. It can't be all roses, I mean, there are probably 1 or 2 Miss Sri Lankas in there who are going to be like, they're not like us.
Yeah, they're not like us for sure.
Tell us who and why.
Who and why? Why not?
No, don't tell us who, but tell us some of the stories.
No, I think there's always like when you're in a competition, there's always some of them who really believe that they are winning before it even started.
Okay.
And sometimes when you don't achieve that, it's like, it really crushes your soul and then they want to crush you instead.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
It really works out kind of animalistic at the end.
Wow. So what were the worst you've seen?
I mean, there are girls who have burnt each other's dresses, who have broken
Really?
each other's heels.
Wow.
In the international pageant, they steal your stuff if you don't keep an eye on it. I don't know, maybe it's just automatically or like instinctual.
It's like mean girl thing going
Yeah.
on. Oh, wow.
Burning their dresses.
Yeah.
That's proper mean girl.
extreme.
Susie, have you heard of that? I haven't heard of that.
No.
Yeah, I think guys don't do this to each other.
No, I don't think so.
So, yeah.
We'll share underwear and stuff like that.
No, that's very wrong. If any guy told you they share underwear,
They're lying.
they're lying.
We don't do that.
We don't.
Right, Prashant, we don't.
We don't share underwear, Amrita. We
The
don't.
fact that these two just
So
denied
defensive.
it. Yeah.
I'm
Being
like,
so defensive about it, like on the spot like that. Definitely, no.
At least you're owning up to stuff. Because you're not even saying you do
I
it.
may or may not have loaned him a pair, but I don't want it back.
No. I've never had a friend, like a close buddy of mine who's been a Mr. Sri Lanka or a Miss Sri Lanka or something like that. What do you talk about when you meet up? Are you always prim and proper? Yes, that's right.
No. I think I found that oddly a lot of my friends have posters of me in their house.
What?
And I went to the washroom and I was like, wait, is that
No.
me?
No, hold on. Now this could be.
That's a little strange. So he actually admitted that he kept the poster there in the washroom so he can have peace. I think a
Strange.
moment of silence there.
Strange. Yeah, no, that's
But
not.
more importantly, are you all still friends?
Yes, we are
Right,
still
okay.
friends.
Don't miss out on the morning showgram
on EFM 88.3.